Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're all okay. I'm Vic and I decided to come here today to talk to you a little bit about the Metanail. If you're here probably looking for more information about it, so stay tuned until the very end of this video. For sure, it's gonna be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about the Metanail. I also want to give you some important warnings and alerts about it that you must know before actually purchasing it, so stay with me. However, if you watch this video until the end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box, click on the link below, they'll go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about the Metanail. But stay with me, then remember that I have some warnings to share with you. So guys, the Metanail is like a supplement and oil that will help you with the health of your nails and your feet. And I'm here to tell you that yes guys, the Metanail really works, alright? So it will work on the root cause of your problem. Maybe you have a nail that won't grow, or a broken nail, or you have fungus or any other problem on your nails and feet. So the Metanail will work on the root cause and leave your feet and nails like very beautiful. This is like, it really surprised me when I bought it because I wasn't putting a lot of faith on it, but seriously, it worked on all of my problems. Also guys, it is 100% natural, so there's no chemical composition in its formula, so anyone can use it. All you have to do is just pass it through your nail. It comes with a little dropper. So you put some drops on your nail, on your feet, and then you just pass it for all over it, and then that's it guys. You have the treatment complete for your day. Because remember that this is not a magical formula, this is a natural treatment, so you must be very committed to this treatment. Because if you don't be like this, you won't have any results and you will feel frustrated about it, alright? And the complete treatment with the Metanail is 3 months, but you can use the complete treatment of 6 months, okay? But remember that you will see some results like in a few weeks. I've been using it for like a month and my feet and my nails are awesome, seriously. I had never had this result with anything. And the best of all guys, the Metanail also have capsules that you can take it, all right? So you have seriously the complete treatment of it. So you can take the capsules and then you will have, plus you will have the treatment from inside out. Because we know that many of these things we have to treat from inside out. So they have the capsule so you can combine both of them. The oil that you can pass all over your feet and your nails, and also the capsules that you can ingest it with water. Very simple to take it. And then you have the full treatment. So if you have serious problems or if you want to solve your problems like quick, you can do the complete treatment with the oil and with the capsule, all right? I recommend you guys to check the website because there on the website you will see that the kits are a lot cheaper than buying just the oil or just buying just one bottle or one of each. So you can buy the kits, then you'll have the complete treatment. It's cheaper, and also you will receive some bonuses buying the kits, like books and ebooks that will help you even more on all of this treatment. It will give you some tips for that. So yes, check the website, that you won't regret it. But guys, if you're still scared of buying it, if you think you're gonna buy it, it's not gonna work for you, you may lose your money, I have to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 60 days. That means you can test the Metanail for 2 months, and if you don't see any results, you can just contact the support team, ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So that's how much they believe in their product. But I have an alert to give you guys. Metanail is only sold on their official website. That means it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left you the link just below in the description of this video. This is the only link guys that you can buy the original Metanail with all of these benefits I have just told you guys right here, right now, alright? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about the Metanail. I hope you liked this video. I hope I have helped you. And remember, you can check the complete information, see photos of before and after, many testimonials, the complete list of ingredients on their official website, and buy the original Metanail only there. Thank you so much for watching until here, and see ya.